Hi everyone, welcome to my Energize product review. This is Khadi from Khadi Digital Marketing, where we review products that are coming up, that are going to be launched, and also help you to grow in your affiliate marketing business. So let's just start. What is this Energize product? So this is an interesting, to be honest, it's an interesting software that will help you as an affiliate marketer to promote and sell your high ticket product. So this will help you to build your campaigns. So this will help you to build your campaigns and your funnel so that you can promote your product, and it will result in high commission. So this is a product that is created by Glenn. It's going to be launched on the 2nd of June. So if you feel like this is something that you are interested in and you want to find out more about it, just stick with me throughout my review. I'll also take you through my awesome bonuses and also take you to the training section where we go through the details of what Energize is all about. But for now, let's just get started and find out more about the product. We are now on my Energize bonus page, guys. So this is Energize, where Glenn promises that it will help you to clone the automated high ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400 million visitors. So but before we start with my bonuses, I just want to make note that please note these bonuses will only be available during the period of the launch. After the launch, the bonuses will expire. So the first bonus that I have for you guys is online entrepreneur. So this will help you to start off your affiliate marketing journey in a good way. It's a bonus that was prepared by Jono Armstrong, and this is a good one so that you can have the right mindset and start off your business on the right track. Bonus number 2 is a collection of done for you funnels to monetize your business. So basically your promotion, regardless where you're promoting in terms of the traffic source, whether it's your website, YouTube channel, like all your traffic source that you are using to promote. So it will help you to build a funnel that will result in conversion at the end of the day, because that is the ultimate goal, to make sure that your funnel it's more interesting, in a sense that customers will be interested to follow through and convert into sales. The third bonus is headline. So these are hacks. This is interesting because currently John is being featured in one of the articles, and he talks about his background as to how he made it into affiliate marketing and how he came to be #1 super affiliate, one of the #1 super affiliates out there. So these are hacks that are provided by Jono Armstrong himself. He will show you exactly what it takes to become #1 and be on top of your competitors. The next bonus is the Atomic Done For You. So Atomic Done For You is a collection of 50 done for you campaigns that will help you to drive traffic in autopilot. So it's 50 done for you campaigns. Also another product from Jono Armstrong. The last bonus, these are the special bonuses that the vendor has given me, so I can just give to you. So you basically get the bonuses that I have and the vendor's bonuses. And once again, if you are interested in the Energize product, just click in the description link so that you can take up the product. This action button will take you to the sales page, where you will be able to make payment and take up the product. And this is a Water Plus product, guys. So Water Plus will send you the email with the username and password, where you will use the details to log on to Water Plus. And we are now in the Energize members area. This is the training section. Glenn, the creator of the product, has created so that you can just go through it once you've purchased the product. The first one is dashboard. This is where he welcomes everyone. And the second one is the tutorial section. So under the tutorial section, so this, well, it has all the relevant training where you can just go through it, and it will show you, it has different videos that will show you the different aspects of the product. So the first one is how to set up Energize software, and it also has integration to your autoresponder. So it depends which autoresponder you are using, so be it a GetResponse, Aweber. So it has a connection to integration to a different autoresponder. So basically it will show you how you can just link that up. So that's the video, the tutorial video for that. And once you are done with your campaign, it also shows you how you can share your campaigns with different social platforms. And the delivery section talks about the bonus here and create more affiliate campaigns. So you'll just go through it once you get the product. And another thing that is interesting, there's also the traffic. So Glenn basically gives you free traffic, so that you can use, which is equivalent to 200 clicks, like similar to solar ads. So it will be just 200 clicks. That's what he says in the video. So you can just get this, but you must go through this entire process first before you can get access to the traffic. So you'll use the traffic that he's using basically. So if you want to create a campaign, so this is how it's going to work. Let's just go through it so that we can let's just choose the second one. So these are campaigns that are created already. You can use them, or you can create your own. These are the high campaigns that already exist. So you can just go edit. Let's just say edit. Let's say for example we're editing a campaign, just for argument's sake. You will enter your campaign title here, and you choose the color of how you want the campaign, the theme to be, and you capture your affiliate link here. And this is an interesting one, guys. I'll show you what this functionality is all about. This page settings, so you have the headline and the 4 bullet points, and this is where you insert your image. You can just insert the image that you want. And yeah, this is the details. So let's say for an example, we've already created this campaign. Now we want to view the campaign, right? This is the campaign that we have. You can just go to publish because you are done creating the campaign. Now we want to publish it. And another interesting point that comes with this software is you can download the campaign in different option. You can publish it in different option. So the first one, you can embed it to a third-party website. That's number one. And number two, you can download it via the software, the Energize itself. And the next one, you can just download it into an HTML so that you can just use it and host it in your web page. So let's just view the squeeze page that we created. So this is what it looks like. We said it's gray. So this is the color, the theme of the color. And these are the 4 bullet points that we created in the campaign section while we're creating. This is the image that we created. And so this is the preset template that it comes with. So, and as you can see, it looks professional and it looks clean. So this is what your potential customers are going to see. And it will also show them the details of what the product is all about. And you can just modify it how you want it and put your own content. So now let's say your customer is not interested in this webinar, and he's like, no, I don't want to join it. So, and he's trying to just get out of the webinar. So what will happen is, which is the nice thing, to make the customer more interested in the training, the software, the app will bring out another item just to say, wait, before you go, your webinar is in progress, do not close window or presentation. But this will be from your side, you will design it how you want it to be, but it gives you that option to be able to, the next step, if the customer doesn't provide you with their name and their email, and then they want to leave your training, you can just hook them in with another nugget to say, please just stick with the with the training, and they go through the webinar and the training with you. And let's say, for example, they're like, okay, no, I've went through the training, so it's halfway through the training and they're done, and they just want to close. Then, and this is what will happen. That section where it said gift, and you said you can offer them anything, like an ebook, whatever the case might be. It depends what will be your free offer that you will be offering them, so that they can stay throughout the entire training. You can say after you've went through the entire training, this is what I have to offer you, but you must go through the entire training. So, but you must make sure that your free offer is it has value, it's packed with value. Don't just offer them something that is not even interesting, so that they will make sure that they stick around until the entire training. So this is one interesting element that I think that the training comes with. So your customers, even though they did not give you the details, they did not sign up, but you have opportunities to entice them to stick around throughout the session, and the probability of them converting into a sale is high, because they will have had many opportunities to go through and check what your training is all about. Okay, cool. That's what I wanted to go through with you. So let's just go back to the dashboard. So we've done the campaigns, so the bonus campaigns. So these are the done for you bonuses that comes with the software. You can choose to promote these ones, or you can choose to promote what you see here, the done for you campaigns, or you can create your own. So it doesn't stop you from creating your own campaigns. And this is where you capture affiliate links. The free traffic one, this is where Glenn, we all know that Glenn is one of the super affiliates out there, and he's got quite a lot of from traffic. So in this training, so he's offering free traffic. So basically you will be using his traffic, and but you must take action. Firstly, you need to buy the software, the product, and you need to follow through in terms of the steps. There are different steps here that he's talking about. You need to follow through and follow all the steps, and once you have successfully followed the steps, then that's when you will be able to have access to the free training. And there are also upgrades that are available with the product. So guys, this is what I have available for you in terms of the training section. So we are on the sales page now. So on the sales page, what is interesting is once you get to the sales page, you are able to get $4 off of Energize. It's a one-time offer. You can get it through my link if you purchase the product. So the sales page, this is where it gives you context of what Energize is all about. And here it says the world first class ticket and lead commission app for 2021 in 60 seconds flat. You can clone our automated high ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400+ million visitors. And these are the benefits. So you will get the secret sauce of 400 million buyers. It's designed for beginners. You don't have to to be a super affiliate, and it's a brand new check for 2021, and there's a money back guarantee, so you are not losing anything, guys. So if you take up this product, so, and if you are interested, you can just click in my description link and it will take you to this sales page where you'll be able to click on the Get Instant Access Now button, where you can take action. And as I've mentioned, Water Plus will send you an email and you will be able to access your product. So now I just want us to go through the prices as to what Energize is all about, in terms of what Energize, how much does it cost. We're now on the prices. Let's just check what Energize will cost you. So for all that I've showed you, basically is the training from this side, the Energize training, the bonus campaigns, done for you bonus campaigns, the templates that are available for you in terms of the funnel that is available, and the free traffic that Glenn promises once you take up the steps, the my bonuses, plus the vendors bonuses. That is only $17, which is not bad, guys. And the next upgrade, which is upsell number 1, I prefer you get the upsell number 1, because it's an unlimited version. You will be able to use the entire product functionality, so there are no limitations. So guys, if I were to give you my honest opinion, I think it's worthwhile. For $17, basically you get the training, the free traffic that Glenn is promising, and this is a real organic traffic. It's not bot traffic. It's real traffic that Glenn is using so that he can monetize for his own business. And you get the free done for you campaigns, and the bonuses that are available. So it's for me, it's a stealer, so it's worth it to get it. And if you're interested in purchasing the Energize product, you can just click in my description link. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also let me know what other products you want me to review for you, and what other videos you want me to make for you, because I'm also putting more content in my channel. So but for now, guys, thank you for watching my Energize review. Until we meet again, bye for now.